Look at the rainbows. It's so pretty. My hands are pretty small, but it fits in really, really well. When you look at it, it's just all screen. It's beautiful.
Viewing photos on this screen is amazing.
I heard battery life is supposed to be really good. Now, I love the note-taking function on the Note. Convert handwritten notes to text. Oh. Yes! Scrawly doctor's writing, it reads it.
Air actions. Oh, this is cool. Let's try it out. Yo, what kind of sorcery is this, man? You can even like zoom in if you spin it. You can even switch between the different cameras.
It's like I'm casting a spell or something.
Let me try out this like doodling function that they have on the video mode. Oh my god, it is taking photos of me eh.
This is going to up my selfie game.
This is so cool. You can zoom in until like 10 times and record the audio from so far away. This is super cool. I really enjoy it.
Let's do the live function. Draw myself a crown. Hey, look at that! That's pretty cool. It draws it on like as we're going on.
So I just took a video. Let's see what we can do.
Massively bokeh out the background, and we can change that as well. The separation between me and the background is really clear.
With everything packed into this one device, count me in for this one.
That's super cool!
This phone right here, I'm sold.